Hi, my name is Narida and I'm a spray plasterer. Just quite new stuff. Tape and joint first on the ceilings and walls. Then we got a spray machine. The plaster comes already mixed. Put it in, spray on the walls, blade it, smooth it, leave it to dry 24 hours roughly, and then we rubbing down. We got a good finish. This dust is killing in this area of ours, especially sanding. But yeah, dust blockers helps a bit. I just started using them. It's got those filters on. If it's that dusty, getting in your lungs is diseases and all that. I would say it does help, very important. It's a good thing. So yeah, dust blockers are very important.